Okay, I'm standing in the snow right now, and I just fill up a whole bunch of sunflower seeds for the birds. I think they're very hungry, so they just keep coming. There, some more. I stand very close to them right now, but I don't move so that they don't fly away. Do you hear the birds singing? Or fighting? I don't know what they're doing. It is their paradise right now. They just love to have food in the wintertime. Oh, there's some so close to me. Let me move it over here to see if I can see them. Nope, I cannot see them. Okay, I'm back to where it is. Right here. Okay, I try to come closer. Hopefully they don't run away from me. The cardinals are not as beautiful as in Minnesota, but they have a little tinted red at their neck and their head. Aren't they beautiful? Okay, I'm gonna stop.